Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market in the last 24 hours, some key important events have happened for the entire crypto market, including Bitcoin. First of all, Bitcoin breaking out of the death cross between 96 and 97,000, and then actually breaking above the key resistance at 98,000. And after that, now we're in a consolidation phase. You can see that the altcoins might be down about 2 to 3%, but overall the market is still in a consolidation phase as Bitcoin is able to sustain the price of 98,000. This is very important to ensure that this consolidation will have a cool off period. So the people who want to, sell off and don't believe in the long term are going to be taking their profit, while a lot of new people who actually FOMO in, especially the retail investors, will push up the market. On the other end, Dogecoin, 399 million Doge, which is about 144 million USD, has been moved from Binance to an unknown wallet. So pretty much the whales are accumulating. Bitcoin reserves gain a momentum in 2025, 13 US states to lead the way. Bitcoin needs a trading volume boost to rally above 105,000 in January before Trump gets into the office. And Bitwise CEO highlights the growing interest in Bitcoin ETF. So there is definitely a lot of things happening in the background. But before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with the crypto market, and especially Dogecoin, I highly recommend you scroll down, tap the red subscribe button so you can stay up to date with the latest and the greatest news first. While you're there, slap a like on the video, just update the YouTube algorithm, push the video out to more people. More people are paying attention to what is happening in the crypto market. They decide to buy into it, the user engagement goes up, market cap goes up, and a lot of us make a lot of profit. Now, first of all, I want to show you guys the Dogecoin price action. So this is a 1 hour chart, and you can see there was two key points where Dogecoin found a little bit of support when the sell-off pretty much started for the entire market, and those two key points were actually 36 cents and 39 cents. Now both of them clearly have been broken. I mean, in a single hour you can see that there was a little bit of a spike down, as a lot of people must have been liquidated as a whale decided to take profit. Let me give you perspective. There's been a lot of whales which have been taking extreme amount of profit as they believe that the market, as experts are predicting, is going to be retesting, or Bitcoin will be retesting close to 65,000. Do I believe that right now? No, because the way we have the momentum, as long as we're able to stay over the price of 40 cents for Dogecoin, there's definitely a lot more upside as compared to downside. And if you look at the open interest, it's making a huge recovery. I mean, it was able to climb from 1.6 billion to 2.6 billion just in under 48 hours, while the long to the short ratio is still in clearly favor of long traders. I know it's fallen down from 77 to 72%, but it's definitely still holding strong. On the other end, Bitcoin is not doing the same, because Bitcoin long to the short ratio is now fallen from 66% to 57%. So there are a lot of people which are expecting to take a little bit of profit from Bitcoin. At the same time, the whale accumulation for Dogecoin is extreme. There is so many large whales which are deciding to pretty much buy a large chunk of Doge and pretty much hold it for the long period of time. 13 US states to lead the way. At least 13 US are crafting legalization for Bitcoin reserve, signaling its rise importance in public finance. States like Ohio and Pennsylvania propose a Bitcoin-backed to safeguard against US devaluation and economic shift. So pretty much globally, countries like Japan and Switzerland explore the Bitcoin reserve, aligning with the corporate Bitcoin strategy. So there is a lot of states which want to do something similar to Switzerland and Japan, and that's going to be the best way to ensure that as the US dollar is going to maybe devalue, I mean, obviously over time inflation is going to play a crucial role. They believe that Bitcoin could be the only possible outcome or only possible way to fight inflation, and that's why they want to have a Bitcoin reserve for their own state. Well, Bitcoin needs a lot of trading volume. I mean, if you just look at the trading volume, it's dropped again, even though the price is holding strong. 37% dip. The trading volume is definitely going to be the next thing that Bitcoin will require to ensure that it's able to keep up this momentum and actually keep climbing to newer highs. On the other end, Bitwise CEO highlights the growing interest in Bitcoin ETF. Survey shows rising demand for crypto. I mean, a 300 million wealth firm California emailed today saying they invested 60 3 clients in Bitcoin via our ETF. Makes me so happy. Wealth managers will help millions of investors participate in an opportunity of this space. As more people are going to be finding out more things about crypto, obviously more profits are going to be booked and more money will be flowing through. Now, XRP recently experienced a spark in transaction volume surpassing $7 billion. So XRP is definitely on the move, but cautiously bullish because of, for all we know, Bitcoin could be forming a head and shoulder pattern that anticipates a correction to 78,000. This is why a strong close above 100,000 is crucial to make sure that there is no bearish outcome that will come out from here. And massive Doge pump is definitely coming very soon. You just need to be a little bit patient and you might be experiencing that very soon. The MicroStrategy of Dogecoin launches Doge yield strategy, eyes Bitcoin and Solana expansion. So there is a lot of people that want to see Dogecoin do well, but we will need a lot of backing and ensure that it's able to climb as the market is going to be going up. If we don't see that, well, it will be a little bit harder for the Dogecoin holdings to keep growing. On the other end, Dogecoin surged 18% amid the renewed optimism. Can it sustain the momentum above the key resistance level? Just to give you perspective, if Doge is just able to hold above the price of 40 cents and Bitcoin's just going to be in a positive trend, Doge will be becoming very explosive in a really short period of time. And Doge skyrockets 18% as the co-founder shares thoughts on the price action. Well, let's just say he says, yes, Queen, we have more to gain. And I'm very certain a lot of you guys would agree with that statement. And US welcomes pro-crypto Congress, boosting the industry sentiment. I mean, we all know that 298 pro-crypto lawmakers from both parties are backed by substantial industry support. So there is a lot of support that's actually being put out for both of these parties. And how many people, just to give you perspective, the amount of people that are actually, you know, in pro side of crypto, for the amount of people that's going to be entering the office, it's actually the best we have ever seen in US, and that's crazy. 25% of the XRP issued. The new document shows Ripple's big plan for XRP. I mean, the Japanese banks are trying to keep up with this, and there is definitely a lot of things which are going to be happening with Ripple, and so is Bitcoin. But the only way to ensure that the Bitcoin is able to keep the rally going is making sure that we're able to climb over 100,000 and actually not show any signs of slowing down. If there's going to be a really crazy sign of slowing down, there might be a chance that, you know, Bitcoin might actually retest close to 78,000, as I just mentioned before. Other than that, this is not financial advice. Do your own research. It's just all my opinion. I hope you guys all have a great day, and I'll see you very soon.